I know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the card, if it's pulling you miles away, out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so stop me if I decide that you're my destiny. What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart, and you'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world could be ours tonight. Oh.
You think it's easy. You think I don't want to run to you, but there are mountains, and there are doors that we can't walk through. I know you wonder why, because we're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go inside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. Rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me, and everyone tells us what we can be. So how can we rewrite the stars so that the world can be ours tonight?
All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you.
It feels impossible. Is it impossible?
Say that it's possible.
How do we
Rewrite the stars. So you were made to be mine.
Nothing can
Keep us apart, 'cause you are the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars, changing the world to be ours?
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide, but I can't have you. We're about to break and my hands are tied. Matheu Hinzen!
Dames en heren. Mag ik een heel groot applaus voor deze superster Kok, dames en heren!